Experiencing horizontal lines on your Samsung TV screen can be annoying. In this video, I'll guide you through several effective steps to fix these lines and get your screen looking clear again. Alright, let's dive into some basic troubleshooting steps to fix those horizontal lines on your Samsung TV. First, we're going to cold boot your TV. This is a simple but effective way to reset your TV's non-permanent memory without losing any of your settings. Just turn your TV on, then unplug it from the wall while it's still on. Wait for about 30 seconds to let any residual power drain from the capacitors, then plug it back in and turn it on again. Next, let's check those cable connections. Turn off your TV and pull out any HDMI cables. Power the TV back on and bring up the on-screen menu. If the horizontal lines disappear, then you've likely found a problem with one of your external connections. Reconnect your HDMI cables one by one to figure out if one of them is causing the issue. It's crucial to ensure your TV's firmware is up to date. For most Samsung TVs, you can check this by pressing the menu or home button on your remote, navigating to Settings, then Support, and selecting Software Update to enable auto updates or manually update. If you've got an older model, you might need to download the firmware onto a USB stick and update it that way. Keeping your firmware current can solve a lot of display issues. If the earlier steps didn't clear up those horizontal lines on your Samsung TV, a factory reset might be the next best option. This process will revert your TV back to its original settings, which means it'll remove any personal preferences and downloaded apps. To do this, grab your remote and press the menu or home button. Then, navigate to Settings, find the General and Privacy options, and Selector Set. You'll need to enter your PIN here, which is typically set to 4 zeros, unless you've changed it. Go ahead and confirm the reset. This step can help eliminate any glitches or settings issues that might be causing the lines on your screen. That's it for this video on how to fix horizontal lines on your Samsung TV screen. I hope these detailed steps help you clear up any display issues and get your TV looking great again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech fixes. Have any questions, or did these methods work for you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.